Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. We are learning the meaning of the verses of Sri Guru Gita based on Guru Gita Artheshwari, written by Her Highness Mahayogi Swami Umananda Saraswati. As asserted by Gurudev, Sri Guru Gita Mahamantra is a self-study that enhances and fosters the art of living in present age of darkness known as Kali Yuga. Today we are going to learn the meaning of the verse 144. In every way fruitful.
सर्वेषां स्तम्भनकरं गुणानां च विवर्धनं दुष्कर्मनाशनं चैव सुकर्मसिद्धिदं भवेत्.
Sri Guru Gita grants the power of paralyzing hostile creatures, matures and nourishes good qualities, neutralizes bad actions and brings good deeds to fruition. Sri Guru Gita chanting makes mind steady. Mind gets whatever it wants with the help of its japa, and therefore it becomes restful and peaceful. All undesirable instincts are destroyed. All inclinations become disinclined. Thoughts do not rise. This is the state of Vaikuntha, the state of thoughtlessness. Good qualities are developed. As when a gardener uproots weeds and what is unwanted and harmful to plants, the plant grows beautifully. So also when bad instincts are destroyed, good qualities become effective, assert themselves. Bad action is eliminated and good work becomes successful. What is harmful happens not, and only what is desirable starts happening. Sorrow is eliminated. Happiness is increased. Life means a series of events. Happenings means what happens. If sorrow is reduced, happiness is the result. If happiness is absent, sorrow raises its hood. Something gets destroyed while something else is created. The play of destruction and creation goes on. Out of mud, pot is created. When pot is broken, it becomes mud. Life is thus nothing but creative destruction. Opposite two things are the two sides of one coin. Duality means life. If one is there, the other also must exist. If one wishes that only what is desirable should happen and what is undesirable should not, then Guru Bhakti is the only means. For to destroy the mountains of sorrow and hoist the flags of happiness, Guru alone is capable. What is not wanted is destroyed by japa and what is desirable increases. Both things are necessary for happy life. Only one result is not enough. Grievances must be removed. At the same time, happiness must be result. Then only life will be complete and full. Bad actions must not be done, but this is not enough. Good work also must be performed. Negative must become positive. Taking out weeds is not cultivation. The sowing of the seeds also must follow. To be independent, to be self-sufficient and not to interfere with others' affairs constitute one side of life. But where there is need, help must be provided there unasked. Not to give trouble to others does not amount to helping others. If nothing is sown, what harvest will be there to collect? Therefore, this stanza explains that by Guru Gita chanting, the seeker becomes able to live life fully and not one-sided only. He will live meaningful, successful and auspicious life undoubtedly. Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.